Hey, what's up guys, welcome to the Codecam.org. In this video I'm going to show you how to check the battery cycles on a MacBook Pro. So it's really useful for someone who wanna buy a used MacBook Pro from marketplace or other websites. So this way you will know like how much life does a MacBook Pro battery has, or how much life does it left. So for this you need to click on the Apple logo on top left, click on about this Mac, click on more info, scroll down, click on system report. From here you can check all the specs and you can click on the power. So this MacBook Pro has 169 cycles. So the one cycle means when you charge your MacBook Pro 100% and then you start consuming that power and you drain it back to zero. So that's one cycle. So it says my MacBook Pro has a normal battery and has like 169 battery cycles, so it's pretty good. So this is how you check for your MacBook Pro battery cycles. This is very useful when you're buying a used MacBook Pro. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.